You so.
Yo.
Hi.
Where you guys from?
California. What about you?
Texas. You guys want to see my friend? He thinks you're cute.
How old's your friend?
Well, he's 17.
Okay.
Oh. Cut my twist, tell a bunch. Cause your money got take like it's lunch. We on the side that we punt. Bitch sleeping at their house, son.
Y'all fuck with that?
Y'all both 17?
Yeah. About to be 18 soon though. I ain't gonna lie. Before you leave, I got a gift for you actually. You like scissor?
Yeah.
Like a gift?
Oh my god.
You're 10.
I'm a 10.
You.
Well, maybe this makes it better.
Damn.
Me too. Is we gonna be on TikTok?
Are we gonna be on YouTube?
TikTok?
Are we gonna be on YouTube?
I don't know, maybe.
Can you do that one more time? Do that one more time.
One more time? You know what? I got a gift for y'all.
Me too.
You like your gift? Where you guys from?
New York.
Oh, you're such a.
Yo.
Huh?
Hey, my friend thinks you guys are cute. You want to see him?
Sure.
Okay.
Cover my twist on the run. Cut my twist tell a bunch. Money got take like it's lunch. Bitch sleeping at their house, son.
What y'all think about that?
That's fake. This is a
Actually,
fake.
I got a gift for all of y'all actually. Hold on, let me look for you. You like scissors?
He's fake. The whole thing. People on Instagram watching. Yes. This guy's.
I'm fake. How the fuck am I fake? But you like
He's
it?
not fake. He's not fake. Yes, he is fake.
I'm fake.
See, he's not fake.
How many fingers am I holding up right now?
Huh?
How many fingers is she holding up?
Bro, foe.
Okay,
Oh.
wait, nigga.
Hold on, you want to see something cool? I got a gift for you.
Nah, dude, I don't want to see your ball sack.
Oh, bro, really? I'm not doing that, bro. I'm not one of those, bro. I got a gift
Oh, so
for you,
like, it's not even a good gift then.
What do you mean? What?
Popping these purchase for fun. Cover my twist on the run. Cut my twist tell a bunch. Cause your money got take like it's lunch. We on the side that we punt. Bitch sleeping at their house, son.
Yeah, fuck with it.
Fuck.
Yeah, fuck with
So
that?
you actually 17 or what?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. Like, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. You're fucking hot as hell. Anyway.
Appreciate it. You know what? I got a gift for you. You like your gift?
Yeah, I do.
What y'all rating out of 10?
Damn, that was like a clean fucking transition though.
It was clean?
From the palm. Yeah,
Yeah, that was for y'all.
bro has this shit planned out.
I don't got nothing planned out. Hold on. Y'all actually, you know what? Thanks for the compliment.
Oh, I'm so fucking amused by this.
I'm done.
I'm confused. I'm amused and confused.
Oh! You're good. You're good looking. I swear.
Oh.
You got a nice smile. I love your hair. I love your hair.
Thank you, thank you. You know, does
Oh,
it
that's
make it
cool.
better? You like that?
I need those codes.
That's good ass.
Rate my friend.
Are we gonna be on YouTube?
You want to rate my friend?
Yeah, are we gonna be on YouTube? No.
What is YouTube? I don't know what YouTube is. But do you want to rate my friend though? He's a little bit shy.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
I counted that money for fun. You know, popping you purchase for fun. Got a gun. Cover my twist on the run. Yeah, cut my twist, sell a bunch. Cause your money got take like it's lunch. We on the side that we punt. Bitch, I sleep in that day off the sun.
Oh, how do you do that, bro? That's cool ass.
I do not even know how I did it.
Both of you are good looking.
Thank you. You know what? Damn. Thank you. I gotta give you. Here's a gift. I got this for you.
Bro, that edit, that's fucking mint.
Thank you.
Clap if you have a big dick.
Oh, you want me to clap? I got a big dick. Hey. And I got a gift for you because you pretty. This for you right here.
What the f?
You know what? Me and my friend do a better job.
I counted that money for fun. You know, popping you purchase for fun. Got a gun. Cover my twist on the run. Yeah, cut my twist, sell a bunch. Cause your money got take like it's lunch. We on the side that we punt. Bitch, I sleep in that day off the sun.
You do a better job.
Yeah, are you streaming?
Do I hear some Rizz audio on the back? This is better.
You know, popping you purchase for fun. Got a gun. Cover my twist on the run. Yeah,
For real,
cut
have
my
that
twist, sell a
really.
bunch. Cause your money got take like it's lunch. We on the side that we punt. Bitch, I sleep in that day off the sun.
I think I've seen that dude on TikTok.
I rate you a 10 out of 10.
Thank you.
I counted that money for fun. You know, popping you purchase for fun. Got a gun. Cover my twist on the run. Yeah, cut my twist, sell a bunch. Cause your money got take like it's lunch. We on the side that we punt. Bitch, I sleep in that day off the sun.
What do you rate him for?
Oh my gosh, you're one of those people. I
One
swear
of
I
those
see y'all
people.
over the internet.
One of those
Huh?
people. Who's one of those people?
Yeah, those people that do the edits and stuff on here.
What? That kind of hurt my feelings. I was gonna give you a gift actually. Fuck. No, it's not an edit, bro. It's not an edit. I'm actually.
Okay.
Fuck.
Wait, so am I?
You like a gift?
Yeah. Yeah.
You got Snapchat?
Yeah.
Type it in chat.
Okay. I'm sorry, I look rough right now. I had homecoming last night, and then I didn't fix my hair, so like
But nah, you look good though. You look good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Counted that money for fun. You know, popping you purchase for fun. Cover my twist on the run. Yeah,
but I
cut my
can't do
twist,
it.
sell a bunch. Cause your money got take like it's lunch. We on the side that we punt. Bitch, I sleep in that day off the sun.
Who the fuck is old? 17
Old.
is old.
I didn't say old.
Oh, I thought you said old. Do you fuck with him though? Do you fuck with him?
Yeah.
No.
Your eyes are so pretty.
Thank you. Hey. Damn, am I ugly or something?
Harmony.
Am I ugly or something? Damn.
Oh,
Damn. Where you from?
you're cute.
Thank you. Where you from?
Florida.
Florida. I'm from Texas. Hey, can you guys
What?
rate my friend from 1 to 10? Huh?
Shut up.
rodeo happening.
Shut up. He's
I'm not
cute.
from Texas. I live in Texas. I'm from New York, but that's crazy though. Rodeo, really?
9.5.
You rate him a 9.5? Now what do you rate me? What do you rate me?
9.5 as well.
9.5 as well?
Yeah.
Thank
You're
you.
quite handsome.
Thank you.
Ja Morant, bro.
Oh no, not
That's
again.
Ja.
Not again. Not again.
That's
Oh
Ja.
my god. I like your glasses.
Thank you. I like your hair.
Thank you. Where you from?
London. Where are you from?
London. I'm from the US. Hey, can you rate my friend from 1 to 10 real quick?
I counted that money for fun. You know, popping these purchase for fun. I got a gun. Cover my twist on the run.
Out of 10?
Yeah.
An 11.
So you rate him an 11?
Uh-huh.
Damn. You're not gonna rate me an 11? How about now?
I give it like a 12 out of 10.
12.